Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at BNB coming in at number 4. So for BNB against BTC, we have hit targets. We've had these targets ever since the 19th of September. Hey, that's when we came back into the scene. So for BNB against BTC, target has been hit. Woohoo! So this is it for BNB BTC. What's going to happen from here? We're not too sure. But on the weekly, we see a shooting star, right? This is what you call a shooting star. Shooting star means, the price tried pushing higher, but it got pulled back down. So you can see the long wicks at the top. So this means that potentially there could be a rest period, right? There could be a break. BNB could be having a Kit-Kat. And another thing is that, yeah, okay, this is the opposite of it. It's called a hammer. So hammers are usually, not always, usually a trend reversal. And this also is usually, not always, usually a trend reversal. So we could be reversing trend, right? My fear is we come back all the way down here, 28%. We'll see how it goes, right? BNB against USDT. Okay, so here's BNB against USDT, right? So for BNB against USDT, my fear is that we get a head and shoulders over here, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? We've already gotten 2 targets fresh out of the oven. Can you smell it? It's fresh out of the oven for you. So this is, I feel this is giving me vibes, potentially something like FTT's collapse before FTT collapsed, right? If we went back to FTT, right, way back on the 22nd of September, which was about 2 months ago, right? We were getting targets, 2 targets to the downside for FTT, 2 targets for the downside, the mini consolidation about to end lower, right? And then mountain range, maybe we were expecting mountain ranges, but no, we just kept dropping, right? And eventually, we were seeing there's real danger for FTT by a new target at $10. Yeah, we're at $1, right? We were aware of the huge danger, and so we explained it in this video. So you should actually check this video out if you didn't see it. This is a snapshot in history of what we saw before it happened, right? And yeah, again, I'm so afraid that this is going to give me the same FTT vibes. I don't know what CZ is trying to do, but I hope that CZ doesn't, fuck up the crypto space for the second time. But again, a lot of people will wait for the news to hit the stands, but because we are chartists and technical analysts, we will get the news first, and we will see it in the charts. If we see some strange movements happening, right, there will be insider trading. Obviously, everything is manipulated, but we can see it, we can spot it if there is real danger. So I feel the potential for danger developing is there. We're not really out of the woods yet. We're under the skinny pink line, but there's a retest, which means that the price is attempting to break above the skinny pink line. But so far, we have failed to break above the skinny pink line. And now, yeah, again, my fear is we have very weak rally and consolidation, and boom, we hit to 173, right? And if you're not careful, boom, we hit to 122, right? And also the same thing, right? If you were to watch this video and all the other videos before, but especially this video, you will see that what we mentioned was that there is zero support over here for Binance. The same thing that's happening. FTT had zero support over here, right? Let me just show you the FTT chart, FTT USD. Look at this, right? We were saying real danger. This is the tweet that we tweeted out right here, right before the collapse. We were already saying. Actually, when I did the video, it was actually here. It's like 1 or 2 hours. 1 or 2 candlesticks before, but yeah, it's the same level. The point is, we were already warning it right before it happened. So yeah, I already tweeted it out. So if you received the tweet and you got out in time before the FTT collapse, good job. Again, we were aware that there was danger, there's potential danger happening, and we were saying that the collapse, it could bring us to single digits, right? And we were saying that there's just no support over here, 0. And so if we fall, yeah, these kind of things could happen. Because there's 0 support, we were saying that this is a noisy area, so we will probably take a break around the area. Yeah, so you see here, it's a little bit noisier because we took a break here, right? Going back to BNB against USD, the same thing. There's no support over here. There's none. Oh my god. But okay, it's different. Different in the sense that for FTT there was a clear head and shoulders chart pattern, right? This is like, yeah, very clear head and shoulders, palm, we fell. But for BNB, there's no head and shoulders, right? The only big danger is, right, we don't hit targets 173, we don't hit targets 122, we still fall, but we don't really see clear drops, right? We fall, but we don't hit 173. We rally again, and then we come back down again. We rally again, then we get the price pulls back down, right? We do something like that, and it could be a gigantic descending triangle. This is also a very, very, very dangerous chart pattern. Very dangerous, and this could pull us all the way down to $45 for BNB. $45, double digit BNB. This is my biggest fear. So yeah, I don't know. I don't see it yet. But for FTT, we saw it, right? And we were like, but yeah, BNB we haven't seen it yet, right? I will, if I see it, right? So watch out for. Yeah. So my point is, I don't know. The best thing that could happen for BNB is that we drop down, right? We consolidate or do whatever it is, right? We drop down to 173. We drop down to 122. If the whales want to, they will probably pull us to sub 100, right? Double digits for a while, and then we go back up. Yeah, this is the best case scenario. But I pray that this happens, right? If this happens, then great. We don't form any bearish, gigantic chart pattern, right? Like FTT's bearish, gigantic chart pattern. We don't do something like this, right? We don't form something like this, right? So yeah, as long as BNB doesn't do that, right, we should be fine, Yeah, the fear is that we get a descending triangle. Yeah, that's the biggest fear. So we'll see how it goes first though. So it's better that we just keep zipping down, zip, touch targets, and then after that we start a recovery, or we start recovering from here. Hey, this will be the best case scenario, right? So we are wrong. I'm wrong. Everybody's wrong. BNB is not gonna collapse. Yeah, everything is all sunshine, rainbows, and butterflies, and we don't need towards double-digit BNB. Best case scenario, best bullish case scenario, but yeah, the worst case scenario is double digits, 44, around 44, 444, right? 666 for Ethereum, 4444 Binance Coin. But again, I don't see the chart pattern yet, so yeah, we're not gonna have any 444 targets. If we were to take the elevator down, which means that if we were to open shots, we are getting out at 122, right? We're not gonna wait until 99 to get out. No, 122. We're off the elevator. Ding ding. See you. We're out. there may be a lack of liquidity at the bottom over here, so you might have some problem closing shots at the bottom. So yeah. Anyway, that's my take for BNB. We're gonna have to see how things go, but there is potential for real danger. There's no not yet. So yeah, we'll see. We'll take things one step at a time. All right. See you in the next video. Hope you guys have a great day. See you. Ta-ta.